Good morning, Hong Kong. Still in bed. Hubbie's out buying some breakfast. It's actually 11 na. Hello, Hong Kong. Time to wake up. Time to go to Disneyland. Good afternoon. We're gonna start our day now. We're going to Disneyland. It's 1:30 in the afternoon. Everyone that will go to Disneyland here in Hong Kong will go there very early. Us, we're gonna go late because I cannot last the whole day anymore. And I just wanted to watch the fireworks.
And then the Lion King.
Visit the new attraction, which is
Frozen.
Let's go. The station is just a few steps away from the hotel. It's very convenient. So from Yao Mate going to Disneyland Resort will cost $49 for two. Going to the ticketing counter because we don't have 50 highest bill the machine can accept, and we only have 100. Lamig. Lamig. Abby, are you excited?
I am excited, but I'm just fine.
How many times you've been here na?
Been here so many times.
Wow, so many times ang loob siya.
Been here 4 times.
4 times?
Paglan na ba?
Hindi ko alam. Siguro.
Alam mo, paglan na natin tuloy.
So, anong gagawin natin today?
Sinabi ko pa, wait, manunod tayo ng Lion King. Lion King na-mix na yung ano ko. Nasa ano pala yun? Sa Universal pala yun.
Dito yun?
Dito ba yun?
Wala na talaga.
Na talaga, hindi ko na talaga alam. O nga no, dito pala yun.
Dapat din-download mo yung Disney app para alam mo kung ano yung mga oras yung show. The Frozen Eve is there. Time to be a kid again. We're here. Let the fun day begin. Nice naman ang bag ni Abby. Gawa na ako ng isa. Excited na. At least konti lang yung mga tao ngayon. Pag maaga ka dito, magagawan yan sa picture. Welcome to Hong Kong Disneyland Resort again. We're not sure if we can enter. It says it needs to register. And we've tried registering online, but it's not. So we're just gonna make an attempt. Are we gonna get in or not? We'll find out. Happy! Nakapasok kami and look, the usually crowded area of Disneyland is not crowded. It's just us. Also this one, there's no line. Usually this is super duper long line. Buy some drinks first. It's a long line here in Starbucks. Didn't realize there's a Starbucks inside Disneyland. It's great. They have some good options. I don't know if they have specialized coffee because they're in Disneyland. Let's see. Can I get the black tea with ruby grapefruit? Nice. Venti. And also chocolate Danish warm and then cinnamon. That's a thing. Marco, Abby's waiting outside. Ayaw mo pumasok? Sige, magkuha na tayo ng video. I removed my jacket muna because it's hot. Meron tayo ng jacket pag malamig. Paggabi na sa gulo tuloy ng outfit. Cute na outfit ni Abby. Disneyland. La, salbahe pala yung Disney Mickey Mouse na yan. La, hindi yung pambata.
Tinatago ko eh.
have chosen to gather here to celebrate with us at Hong Kong Disneyland.
Going to Adventureland first to see what time is the Lion King show, because that's our favorite show here. We didn't download the Disney app, so we don't know what time. Parang katatapos lang ng show. Daming taong lumabas. Let's check first where Moana show will start in a few minutes. Hubbee wants to watch it, but I don't like it. I'd rather do the ride than sit and wait and watch Moana. That's what we're gonna do. This is the first ride that I'm gonna try, and one of the very few rides that I can do only here in Disneyland. So guys, that's just a very relaxing trip. Done that many times, but I still enjoy it. Takes you back to Amazon.
Enjoy your adventure on the Jungle River cruise today. And we warn you, you may get wet.
You might get wet down. Di naman. Might lang. Long line starts now. This is a problem with theme parks. It's a waiting game. It's a game of patience because you have to wait for so long. But it's worth it, I guess. Summer Snow Day. Tarzan's Treehouse. We went there before also. It's nice. We're just gonna go up there, then go down. That's it. It's nice, but we're not gonna do it again. Almost there.
Let me show you what I got.
Let's say hello team. Hello. In the shower, I've been underwater too long. Look, the skin is so weak in there. Be careful in the water right now. Be careful.
I'm from this game. I'm in the league of my own. Every word I spit, the microphone's wrong. I'm from this game. I'm in the league of my own.
你知道了，我们叫它鳄鱼啊，鳄鱼叫什么啊？他们叫我们晚餐啊，全部都是在开发一样。今天晚上谢谢。把过来，我左手背拉着这里哇。 是北极的都要下。Everybody, look at how good it is on. So look at that.
Every word I spit, the microphone.
After the stay inside the boat, please bring the seat and the boat come this way. After the stay inside the boat, thank you. So, my son. 不要衝咗我哋，先吞後再到先。哎呀，連後邊都走唔到啦！我哋話住咗喺上帝眼中啊，呢個水上度幫人走嘅地方啊！哇，咁我就亂食咁喎，嗰度揀都係話，好似好嬲咁樣喎。Sorry 啊，收落先，睇翻嗰邊，我見到放鬆埋啦，唔好意思啊。我哋想上嚟㗎，你想上嚟㗎。
Enjoy, Mavi.
Yes, kuya. Enjoy ko. Again, ang saya ulit.
Wala lang, yun lang yun. We're going back because sabi ni Abby, start na daw ng parade.
Tapos na si Moana.
Sa Simuana Lulier. Parade na. Saya. the people get dispersed. So fun. Akala namin mahaba yung parade. Yun lang pala yun. Next stop is Iron Man. So it's 4 o'clock. The next Lion King show is 5 o'clock. So we still have an hour to kill.
After the Lion King, then we're gonna go to the Frozen. Anong tawag dun sa Frozen na ano?
Frozen
area.
Land.
Gusto kit yung mga nilalagay nila dito. Gusto kong pumili.
Look at them. Everyone has like a little pet on their shoulder. I have my toy here for my collection. Little kid in me is getting giddy. Kinalimutan ko na yon, pero sana naman tayo. Sana mapigilan. Cute. The truth is, I am Iron Man. How much is sa likod? Walang simple lang. Gusto ko ito. How much is this? $389. So that's around almost 2,000 baht. Okay ba siya? Cute lang. Happy kid. Nasaan yung mga collectibles? I used to buy collectibles and figures ng mga Marvel heroes ko. Yun na. Ay, ang cute! Gusto ko nito. Paano to?
May ano yan, magnet?
Ang galing. Gusto ko din. Cute nito. Everyone has something on their shoulder. Gusto ko din. How much is this? 119. Bakit sa damit ko ngayon? Gusto ko nito. Yung kinokollect ko before. Meron na ako nito. This one. Kaso, meron na akong lahat nito. I have all of this na. Mas lang bago. It's so sad. Si Jessica Drew. You buying that?
I'm gonna buy it. It's
Why?
only 50.
Anong 50? 100?
No, it is only 50.
Ayan,
now,
oh.
Alagay doon now.
Ayan o, 190.
It's 119 before. It's now 50.
Wala, Monopoly. Ito, wala silang bago nito. Makakainis. Dami nang lumabas na. Dati, every Marvel movie, may set sila na ganyan. Yung cast nun. Ay, ito lang ang wala ako. Wala ito. Meron nata ako. Wala silang bago. So sad. Good. Gusto ko rin yan. 50 lang siya if you have the privilege. Here, may ganito din sila. Yung Spider-Man across the Spider-Verse. I don't have this. I want this. Magkano to? How much is this? 219 na. So kung ito, I will buy this. And si Abby, baka pagalitan tayo. Ipakita na muna natin bago tayo bumili. Kasi madadaldala na naman. Ito pala ang bago nila ngayon. Ayan na si Abby. Hinahanap na ako. Yan na natin reaction niya. Abby, can I buy this?
What is this?
Spider-Man Across the Universe. I'll buy this.
No, Mackee, we have a lot.
Wala ako nito sa collection.
Hindi mo nang alam sa aming collection mo.
Alam ko, tinago mo. Can you buy? 219 lang siya.
Magkano?
290. Magkano yun?
Mahal.
Like how much? 1,000 lang?
1.5.
Oh, I want it.
Alam ko kasi itatago ko lang siya.
Uuwi na tayo sa Pilipinas, di ba? I-display ko na yun. Gabi ka, for my happiness, for my mental health, happy.
Meron mo dun.
Ito na.
I don't want to bring this while working.
May bag naman yan. Ikot-ikot tayo. Sabi ko na aayaw yan simula. Pero gamit natin ang ating convincing power. What's this? Ano ito? Ito siya. Okay. Ano pa? Ano pang budol dito? Wala na. Puro pambata na lahat. Kasi yung t-shirt. Okay na. Huwag na tayo masyadong gumastos. Confirm. Tuloy na. Hey. Ayun na. Binabayaran na. Ayan na. Hey. Hanap ako ni Abby. Abby. Hey.
May bayad yung bag. $20.
Mahal naman ang bag. Kano
But
yun?
it's okay. It's nice. Magagamit ko to. $20.
Cute. Favorite ride here in the Marvel area. However, I cannot ride that because I'm gonna be hilo. So next time. Enough of this Marvel frenzy. Let's go back to Adventureland. Fall in line now so that we can make sure we can watch the Lion King show.
Hubbee wants to buy popcorn. Kasi sobrang bango niya, grabe. Nakaka-tempt talaga. Ayun na, pumila na. Wala nang magawa. Cute.
Share mo ako.
Picture pa yung isa. Can I try?
Ha?
Can I try?
Yeah.
Okay. Grabe yung amoy ng squid, no?
Sarap.
Bango. Here we go. Excited for this. Dami na agad tao. Just like before. Dami tao. Kasi lahat ng yan. Moving, it's moving. Everyone's rushing to get the nice spot inside the theater. Excited.
Who's gonna play everybody out?
I'm gonna sign the pot. Hey, I'm gonna be the main event like the game was before. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Why sing my loud halo? Come on, everybody, let's get this party started. There you go. It means no worries for the rest of your day. Yeah, sing it. A world for once in perfect harmony. Can we feel the love tonight?
World of Frozen. Elsa? They did it well. Oh my god. So cute here.
Mackee! So, ako lang mag-isa going to this ride. Dito na! Sasakay na kami!
Doing my second ride in Disneyland.